Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. I'm excited to talk to you today about a topic that's incredibly important but often overlooked. Did you know that nearly 20 million people in the United States alone suffer from some form of peripheral neuropathy? That's a huge number, and it affects people from all walks of life. This staggering statistic highlights just how crucial nerve health is to our overall well-being. Our nerves play a vital role in everything we do, from moving and feeling to thinking and breathing. What many people don't realize is that certain vitamins play a crucial role in keeping our nerves healthy and functioning properly. These vitamins can help prevent nerve damage and even repair it. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of vitamins and explore the 7 best ones for optimizing your nerve health. We'll look at how these vitamins can support your nervous system and improve your quality of life. We'll discuss how these vitamins work, the benefits they offer, and how you can ensure you're getting enough of them in your diet. From food sources to supplements, we'll cover it all. Whether you're experiencing nerve issues or simply want to be proactive about your health, this video is for you. So let's get started and take a step towards better nerve health together. First up, we have vitamin B12, a powerhouse when it comes to nerve health. This essential nutrient is often overlooked, but it plays a critical role in keeping our nervous system functioning smoothly. B12 is essential for the formation and maintenance of myelin, the protective sheath that surrounds our nerves. Myelin acts as a barrier, ensuring that nerve signals are transmitted quickly and efficiently. Think of myelin as insulation for your electrical wiring. Just like how insulation prevents electrical wires from short-circuiting, myelin ensures that nerve impulses travel without interruption. Without it, signals can't travel efficiently, leading to problems like numbness, tingling, and even pain. These symptoms can significantly impact daily life, making simple tasks challenging. B12 also plays a vital role in cell growth and development, including nerve cells. It aids in the production of DNA and RNA, the building blocks of our cells. It helps create new red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body, including to our nerves. Oxygen is essential for cellular respiration, providing the energy needed for nerve function. Adequate oxygen supply is crucial for nerve function and overall health. Without enough oxygen, our nerves can become damaged, leading to various neurological issues. You can find vitamin B12 naturally in animal products like meat, poultry, fish, and dairy. These foods are rich sources of B12, making them an excellent choice for maintaining nerve health. For those following a plant-based diet, fortified foods like cereals and nutritional yeast are good sources. These products are specifically designed to help meet the nutritional needs of those who don't consume animal products. Or you can opt for a B12 supplement. Supplements are a convenient way to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient, especially if your diet lacks sufficient B12 sources. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Next, we have vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, because our bodies produce it in response to sunlight. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption, which is essential for nerve function. Calcium helps transmit nerve signals and plays a role in muscle contractions. Studies have shown a link between vitamin D deficiency and nerve pain, suggesting that maintaining adequate levels of this vitamin is crucial for nerve health. Beyond nerve health, vitamin D supports bone health, immune function, and even mood regulation. While sunlight is the best source of vitamin D, we can also obtain it through certain foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk and orange juice. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, talk to your doctor about getting tested. Now let's talk about vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cell membranes, including those in our nerves. Vitamin E's antioxidant properties help neutralize these free radicals, shielding our nerves from oxidative stress. This protective effect is especially important for people with diabetes, as high blood sugar levels can increase the risk of nerve damage. You can find vitamin E in foods like nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy green vegetables. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can help ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Moving on to vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in converting glucose into energy, which our nerves need to function properly. Thiamine is also involved in the production of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerves. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to a condition called beriberi, which can cause severe nerve damage, muscle weakness, and even heart problems. Fortunately, thiamine deficiency is relatively rare in developed countries. You can find thiamine in foods like whole grains, legumes, nuts, and pork. Adding these foods to your diet can help ensure you're meeting your body's thiamine requirements. Next, we have vitamin B6, another important player in nerve health. B6 is involved in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which regulate mood, sleep, and muscle function. B6 also helps maintain the myelin sheath, that protective covering around our nerves. Adequate B6 intake is essential for optimal nerve function and communication. Good sources of vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, potatoes, and bananas. Including a variety of these foods in your diet can help support healthy B6 levels. Now, let's discuss vitamin C, an antioxidant that's probably best known for its role in immune health. But did you know that vitamin C is also crucial for nerve health? That's because it's essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and support to various tissues in our body, including blood vessels that supply nutrients to our nerves. Vitamin C ensures these blood vessels remain healthy, allowing for proper blood flow and nutrient delivery to our nerves. Citrus fruits, berries, tomatoes, and bell peppers are all excellent sources of vitamin C. Adding these colorful foods to your diet can benefit both your immune system and your nerve health. Finally, let's talk about alpha-lipoic acid, a powerful antioxidant that's both water and fat-soluble, allowing it to work throughout the body, including our nerves. Alpha-lipoic acid helps regenerate other antioxidants like vitamin C and E, making them even more effective. Studies suggest that alpha-lipoic acid may help improve nerve function in people with diabetic neuropathy, a type of nerve damage that can occur with diabetes. It's also been shown to reduce nerve pain and improve nerve conduction. While our bodies produce some alpha-lipoic acid naturally, we can also obtain it through certain foods like red meat, organ meats, and brewer's yeast. Supplements are also available. So there you have it, the 7 best vitamins for nerve health. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. From B vitamins essential for nerve function and myelin production, which help in the transmission of nerve signals, to antioxidants like vitamins C and E that protect against damage from free radicals and oxidative stress. These nutrients play a crucial role in keeping our nerves healthy and functioning optimally. They help in repairing nerve damage and maintaining the integrity of nerve cells. Remember, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources is essential. These foods provide the necessary vitamins and minerals that support not just nerve health, but overall well-being. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. Think of your plate as a rainbow of health. By ensuring you're getting enough of these essential vitamins, either through diet or supplements, you can support your nerve health and enjoy a vibrant, active life. Regular physical activity also plays a significant role in maintaining nerve health. Exercise increases blood flow to the nerves and helps in the regeneration of nerve cells. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you ensure you're getting enough of these vital nutrients in your daily routine? What are some of your favorite ways to incorporate these vitamins into your diet? Do you have any special recipes or tips? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their journey to better nerve health. And for more health insights, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Be sure to check out my video on the top 10 foods for boosting brain health. It's packed with valuable information that complements what we've discussed today. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of your nerves. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.